I'm John Levison. I'm a Technical Director at Cubetape, and I'm delighted to show you today the contents of the C200S box. So, what's in the box? We have a quick start guide. We have the holster in every box. The cassette, 7.5 meters, 24 feet, that comes with every C200S. The charge cradle, the accessory pack, and the electronics pod. I've binned the package. I'm ready to show you assembling the cassette and the pod. Align the grooves with the guide rails, slide in and push to connect. To change the tape, do this. USB charging is here, or to charge in the cradle, simply drop it in. Oh, and if you're wondering, this red button and this red switch are for a future auto lock feature. To measure, power on, put the tip at one end, the zero datum point at the other, and scan to measure. To connect to the desktop, scan the pairing barcode on the quick start guide. LED will go green. Insert the dongle and the LED will go blue and it's connected. So let me take a measurement and update the DHL app. Tip on this side, zero datum point here, press the button.